For months together, hundreds of Indians are stranded in the middle of crisis-hit areas in Libya. And now, with the efforts of Ministry of External Affairs showing results, 450 Indians, including 58 nurses, are likely to return to the country by the end of this week.
Cities covered in ash and smoke. Streets left with remains of charred vehicles. A country under siege. This is the reality of Libya today. And caught in the middle of the crossfire are 6,000 Indian nationals. Amongst them are 750 Indian nurses who are believed to be staying in Libya in deplorable conditions. In what is feared to be the worst clashes since 2011 civil war in Libya. But Kerala Chief Minister reassuring the worried families of the safe return of their stranded family members.
ലിബിയയിലെ അംബാസഡറുമായിട്ട് ഇന്ത്യൻ അംബാസഡറുമായിട്ടും സംസാരിച്ചു. ഇന്ത്യൻ എംബസിയൊക്കെ വളരെ ആക്റ്റീവായിട്ട് ഇടപെടുന്നുണ്ട്. നാളെ അവരെ ആദ്യത്തെ ബാച്ചിനെ ടുണീഷ്യയിലേക്ക് അയക്കാമെന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. 50 പേരുള്ള ഒരു ബസ്.
And now it seems after months waiting, their prayers will finally be answered. With the Ministry of External Affairs pressing diplomatic pressure to help evacuate stranded Indians,
our mission will work to ensure that there is an expeditious movement of people from Libya should they want to return to India.
Libyan firms have finally agreed to send back 450 Indian nationals working in Libya. Among them are 58 nurses who will be back in less than 24 hours.
Even as situation in Libya worsens, the Indian government has issued an advisory asking all Indians stranded in Libya to return to their native country. Meanwhile, the External Affairs Minister, Sushma Swaraj, has asked top MEA officials to ensure the safe return of all Indians stranded in Libya. Almost 450 Indians will be returning to India in the next 24 hours, which includes at least 58 Indian nurses who are originally from the state of Kerala. But even as tension escalates in Libya, the big question remains: how long will it take for the Modi government to ensure a safe return of all Indians stranded in Libya? In New Delhi with video journalist Manish, this is Aditya Raj Kaul for Times Now.